All right, so now we want to quickly hop over to Excel to give a quick demo of that. So you see here, there are many templates that you can choose from. For this demo, we'll use personal budget. So we'll click on that. And you see right off, there's a lot of information here. So you have the percentage of income spent in a nice circle graph. You have a summary section that shows you your income, expenses, savings, and the cash balance that you have. And then on the right here, you have a nice bar chart that's showing you your income versus your expenses, right? And then you have the sections below where you can actually put your data. All right, so let's jump into it. All right, so we're going to modify the income first. So you can see right now it's $3,750. So if we scroll down, let's just add 1,000 and call it side hustle. If I can spell, click the arrow. All right, and now you can even see the percentage changed above. And now you can see our total income is $4,750. So it automatically populates. You don't have to do anything special to make that happen. You simply go in here and you input the data, and that's it. So that's definitely a pro. All right, and the same is true for expenses. So you can see right now our expenses is $2,000, $2,336. So if we scroll down, let's add $1,000 and we'll name it streaming check. Scroll back up and you can see the expenses increased by 1,000, which is exactly what we expected to see. All right, and you can do the same for each category, savings, and also any other section that you want to add. Now, you don't have to do anything special with this template, right? Which is great, because for those of you that may not be as tech savvy and you don't want to do a lot of additional things, you can use this template, because all you have to do is come in here and input the data, and it gives you exactly what you need. So I would definitely recommend this to anyone that's starting a budget, because it's pretty straightforward and it's easy to start, and it can be used across multiple platforms, right? So it's not tied to one specific platform like Numbers is, which is something that you can take into consideration as well. All right, so that's all I wanted to show you on Excel. Again, a great application.